Okay, next. Sometimes we have it so that we're working against the tabs instead of having the tabs work for us. So let's say, for instance, you've got this here. You got a word, and you want it over. Oops. You want it over in the middle, and you go tab, 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 tab. You do that type of thing, but you don't need those tabs in that particular line. So it's best to just go ahead and work with Microsoft, format, tabs, and you can see there's what the numerical settings currently are. You can just clear one of them by hitting minus, select one and hitting minus, or you just hit clear all, which I tend to do. And 3.25 I think is where the center is. And you have to remember to hit plus to get it there. And you know the tab you're particularly setting has to these settings have to be set to. This is just a straight left setting, so hit OK, and now hit tab there, and you're right at 3.25 for that word. So again, have Microsoft work for you instead of you working for Microsoft.